We'll guide you through how to change the language on Amazon. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Amazon, and so for whatever reason you want to go and change the language. Perhaps you can't currently understand the language the app is in, which is why you're trying to go and change it, or perhaps you can understand it, but you're still wondering how you can go and change it, and you want to go and change it to something different. Make this full guide step by step, as we're going to guide you through everything you need to go and tap on in order to go about this. What we need to do is you need to go and head down to the bottom row of options. Now, what you want to do is come to the user looking icon, the second one, just to the right of the home button, and you want to go and click there. That opens up the account page like so. Now, what you need to do is you can go and head to the top right, and you can go and see mine has the British flag and it says EN. Yours may look different. You want to go and tap there, just below the microphone. On this page, at the top, you've got country or region, and the second option, the one in the middle, is the language, which of course is what we want to go and change. You just go and tap there. So it's the second one out of those three. Then what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down and find the language you're looking for. You should be able to go and understand the language you're looking for as it's gone and translated at the bottom. For example, Spanish says Espanol at the bottom. So you can then go and tap on it. You need to go and then choose the country or region. You want to go and use Amazon in because that is the language that the store is on. So I could go and change to Spain like so. Then you go and press on the button at the bottom and it'll then go and be updated and changed to your language.